Hello, everyone. So, this is the second episode of the Sarkar Show. Everyone, I hope you are having an amazing day. So, today it is a Scratch tutorial. Guys, if you don't know what Scratch is, it is literally one of the most easiest coding languages, or is it? So, because there's a lot of more complex things that Scratch might be hiding. But nonetheless, Scratch is meant for a very young audience. So if you don't know how to code or really anything about computer science, or and you just want to see how other coding languages are like, well, this is probably the one of your best videos. So you click create once you've logged in, of course. And if you've logged in, you will probably see some things like share and your net title screen. Well, this is not because you are logged in or not, because even if you are not logged in, you will not have this, literally, because you need to be logged in to have these options to save and share. If you're not logged in, you can be better using the desktop version. What I'm using right now is the browser-based version. If you're using desktop, it'd be good to save to your computer or all that stuff. So, now, let's see some basic code. One green flag clicked, which is this little guy right here. Move, let's say 10 steps. Wait 1 second and turn 15 degrees. What will it do? And then, basically, before we do anything, we need to go to our regular position. 0. And after that, we will also need to point in the regular direction 90. So, let's see it. This is what we like to call setup code. An amazing script basically does setting up everything is very important, so it doesn't look muddled and already used or secondhand before when you start the project. So that's why you always need to set up this. Now look at that. I think if with the script it can actually do a full 360 angle forever and ever and ever. Well, isn't that nice? Really peculiar, isn't it? So, now that we have this, I will actually call this project my project. Would be a suitable name to call it if you're first ones. But so I'm just going to call it my project. And since I'm logged in, save now. And if I'd like, I can share it. So, that is your first steps in Scratch. Please like and subscribe to the Sarkar Show YouTube channel. Thank you. See you.